go with the flow, make them feel comfortable. And so you'll see that there are no cue cards. You will not see him referring to any cue cards. There's no teleprompter. There's nothing. The entire show has been based on spontaneity at that particular moment to become a main lead and a hero.
Don't look for words.
Unlike Jack Nicholson, as good as it gets in the US, unfortunately in this country, talent is not seen in the same way. But in my opinion, he's one of the finest, the best actor this country has ever seen. And I'm sure most of you will endorse that. We are very happy to have this show. In season 1, we've, based on, we actually didn't plan ki isko lana hai, usko lana hai. I mean, based on availability, dates, everything. On season 1, we have, I think, 12 episodes, if I'm correct.
Yes.
12 episodes. And then season 2, we will, you will get to see the lives of other stars as well. That's great. So when I came here today, I've just landed this morning from the US, so I'm still jet lagged after 3 weeks. So Sonia told me that Anupam doesn't have dates, so the press conference has to happen only today. So what I decided was, and that's what I told Anupam backstage, I said, I would like to interview you. I've seen you interviewing people, so why don't I ask him a few questions? It won't be too many. Okay.
इनकी आंखों में एक शरारत नजर आ रही है मुझे।
नहीं, कोई शरारत नहीं है। मैं आपको पर्सनल बातें नहीं पूछूंगा।
आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं।
Who wears the pants in your house? Kiran Kher or you?
ये था इनका शरारत का reason. I think Kiran Kher wears.
Be honest.
I only know honesty,
okay.
Raj. Kiran Kher wears sari and pants both in my house. Sari, kaftan, salwar kameez, pants, she wears. And I'm happy that she does that.
Now to both of you are part of the Colors family because Kiran Kher also does a show with us.
Yes.
How does it feel to be the husband of an MP? Do people now refer to you as Anupam Kher, the actor, or husband
now
of
they say that Kiran Kher
MP का पति है?
आज I was coming from जो security check मेरी कर रहा था तो मुझे कह रहा था कि आप बड़े खुशकिस्मत हैं। मैंने कहा क्यों? कहता आपको अपनी बीवी की वजह से डिप्लोमेटिक पासपोर्ट मिलने वाला है। So I am happy. There are some good points. There are some. I do not know whether to feel happy that I will see her less or feel sad. But it feels interesting because he's not a typical politician. So, but उससे पहले भी हमारे equation बड़ी clear थी, वो बोलती हैं और मैं सुनता हूँ।
मैं किरण जी को भी जानता हूँ, अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. And Anupam ji said she is not a typical politician. Are you a typical politician?
I'm not a politician at all. I'm not typical of anything.
So the question I want to ask you is, you are probably one of the most loved person in the industry. Everybody is your friend. I haven't seen anybody saying anything negative about you, and you not saying anything negative about anybody else. Okay. Are you diplomatic or are you politically correct?
Either of them can be right and wrong, both. I think your question is referring to that how can I be friends with everybody?
Yeah, because in this industry I have seen there are camps and there are people and there are everybody. I don't want to go deep into it. I mean, Patrakar Bete. But mostly you are one person that I have seen. Not one person I have come across who had said anything negative about Anupam Kher. Or I have known you for such a long time, quite intimately. Have you seen you speaking anything about anybody?
मेरे बारे में किसी ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि फिल्मों में जो आम जिंदगी में आलू का महत्व होता है, वो मेरा फिल्मों में महत्व होता है. आलू हर सब्जी में चला जाता है. आलू मटर, आलू गोभी, आलू बैंगन, आलू पालक, आलू मीट, आलू ये सब. I think I am like that in real life also. I don't judge people. And because I don't judge people, I can be friends with everybody. And it's not only with stars or it's not, but other people also. I don't judge my driver, I don't judge my spot boy, I don't judge the chowkidar.
Okay, let me...
And also, I must tell you that people are very it comes across कि जो फिल्मों में होते हैं बड़े strong होते हैं. I think film people are the most fragile people. They can easily get hurt because every Friday decides their future. You can ask me differently.
No, let me rephrase the question. Why do people in the film industry, when asked about anybody else, are always diplomatic? Why can't they speak upfront?
Because we are scared that it will be misunderstood. It will go against us. Why don't we say things against a politician so easily? Why don't we say? But I still feel that film industry is much better a place because equations keep changing. So it's very difficult to say, and you can only say it to the person you trust. I may not want to say something to the press that I don't like so and so. If I have to say something, I'll say it to the person separately, basically.
Okay. You have always I saw you on television when Anna Hazare was doing the thing in Delhi, you were there, and you have always stood up and made your political views very clear and things like that. Have you ever thought of joining politics?
Sometimes, long time back, about 10, 12 years back, I wanted to be the Prime Minister of the country. Seriously. I said that if I think that the system is not right, I must change it, and I must and I'm a dreamer. So I used to tell my friends that one day I will be the Prime Minister of this country. But I think now I'm much more realistic. At the present stage, for another 5 years, I think we will only have one MP in the House, and maybe for next year, 7 years later, I may join politics. But it's not, right now, it's not in my radar.
So you will also join politics, then Sikandar will join politics, then you'll have dynastic politics.
I will only want to be known as an actor. That's my first and last identification. I would like that.
Okay. So, since you want to be known as an actor...
Why do I feel that you are going to trap me?
No, I'm trying to. I'm not... I wish Sonia had given me more time, but... okay, you said you want to be known as an actor.
Yeah, that's primarily.
So my question to you then is, if you were to be reborn as an actor, which actor would you like to be reborn as?
Only as Anupam Kher. What an interesting
life.
No,
मुझे पता था. This is the...
But what an interesting... Which other actors has as interesting a life? Which other actor was born to a clerk in the forest department, did not get more than 38% marks, was so slow that one day my teacher saw me running and he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. I came from a no background. Today I have done 482 films. I have won each and every award. I have written a book and I have had a most interesting life. Why will I want to somebody else? I will want the same life again. You're not very happy.
No,
would you like to be somebody else as reborn as?
No.
Will anybody of you will be born as somebody else? No, but किसी के मन में चल रहा है कुछ? No. So I don't think so. That's the first rule of respecting yourself, who you are.
Interesting. I never thought about it that way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a question that will put Anupam Kher on the spot.
Don't worry, वो थोड़ी देर बाद ये सब पूछने वाले हैं ना. They will do your job.
Today is that one day when you will have an opportunity to try and put him on the spot. Okay, so please do that if I don't succeed. My next question to you is, in the industry, if you have to choose one person for whom you will be willing to give your life for, whom will that be?
Myself. Why will I give my life for somebody else?
That I can believe. He's from the film industry. This answer I can believe.
No, why will I give my life for anybody? I will not. I will give my life for my best friend. I will give my life for my parents. I may give life for my brother, for his family, for my family. But for film industry, I don't want to be diplomatic and say, अरे इसके लिए मैं अपनी जान दे दूँगा. वो क्या करेगा मेरे लिए बाद में? मेरी माला पे फूल चढ़ाएगा और पिक्चर वहाँ से शुरू होगी. अर्पित किया है अनुपम खेर को. How is it going to? It's not going to help me. I have a survival instinct. I will want to be not giving my life. अब देश के लिए जान दे सकते हैं, अपनी वैल्यूज के लिए जान दे सकते हैं. किसी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के किसी बंदे के लिए क्यों जान दूंगा भाई? अपने बलबूते पे खड़ा हूं। मेरी माँ ने एक बारी महेश भट्ट ने जब मेरी माँ महेश भट्ट से मिलने आई, पहली बात तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि आपने कलर्स के लिए एक शो क्यों किया है। आई मस्ट टेल यू, तो माय मदर्स फेवरेट चैनल इज कलर्स। 8 बजे से लेकर 11 बजे तक वो इस चैनल को बदलती नहीं है, तो शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी।
नहीं, ये तो मैं कहना चाहता हूं इनकी बीवी भी बदलती नहीं है।
हाँ, बट मेरे माँ के लिए जज्बात ज्यादा उमड़े थे इस समय। मेरी माँ के जज्बात में इंटरप्ट करो, मैं सिर्फ जब भी मैं उनकी बात करता हूँ तो बीवी इंटरप्ट करती है कि बस सिर्फ माँ की बात करते हो। I am a self-made person. Nobody has helped me in becoming. So my mother went to meet Mahesh Bhatt. So Mahesh Bhatt in his flamboyant way said that देखिए माता जी आपके बेटे को स्टार बना दिया। तो my mother's reply was मेरे बेटे में कोई बात होगी तो स्टार बनाएगा। तो मैं अपनी जान किसी के लिए नहीं देने वाला।